हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Hello friends, today we are going to see the question answers of chapter number 7 Non-Cooperation Movement. Question number 1. Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. 1. Gandhiji began his career from the country of dash dash. Options are India, England, South Africa, Myanmar. South Africa. Gandhiji began his career from the country of South Africa. 2. The farmers started the no tax movement in the district of dash dash. Options are Gorakhpur, Kheda, Solapur, Amravati. Kheda. The farmers started the no tax movement in the district of Kheda. 3. As a protest to Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore returned the title of dash dash bestowed upon him by the British government. Options are Lord, Sir, Rao Bahadur, Rao Sahib. Sir, as a protest to Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore returned the title of Sir bestowed upon him by the British government. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in one sentence. 1. Which restrictions were put upon the blacks in South Africa according to the Declaration of 1906? Answer. The government declared that it was compulsory for the blacks to carry an identity card with them. 2. Where did Gandhiji launch the first satyagraha in India? Answer. Gandhiji launched the first satyagraha in India at Champaran at Bihar in 1917. 3. Which officer gave orders of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh? Answer. General Dyer gave orders of firing in the Jallianwala Bagh. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. 1. Explain the philosophy of Satyagraha. Answer. 1. Gandhiji brought in a novel technique of Satyagraha in the popular movement. 2. Satyagraha means insistence of truth. The main objective of Satyagraha is through patience. 3. In Satyagraha, an unjust person is made aware of truth and justice and also brought transformation in his views. 4. A person following Satyagraha should never use violence and untruth means was the teachings of Gandhiji. 2. Why was the Swaraj Party established? Answer 1. Some members of Indian National put up the idea of contesting elections. 2. To obstruct the work of the British government. 3. To oppose severely the unjust policies of British. 4. To demand that responsible government should be given to India in future. To achieve above mentioned objectives, the Swaraj Party was established. Question number 4. Explain the following statements with reasons. 1. Rowlatt Act was opposed by the people of India. Answer 1. To suppress the discontent growing among the Indians and to suggest the measures about it. The act was passed that the government to arrest any Indian and imprison or warrant. 2. There was no provision for appeal against the punishment given under the act. The Indians called this act as Black Act, and a tide of anger arose all over India against this act. Therefore, Rowlatt Act was opposed by the people of India. Two, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Answer 1. In February 1922, the police opened the fire on a peaceful procession at Chaurai Chaura in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. 2. The people were angry and set fire to the police station in which, along with one officer, 22 policemen were killed. Due to this incident, Gandhiji was heard on 12 February 1922 and he suspended the non-cooperation movement. 3. The Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. Answer 1. The reforms introduced by the Montague-Chelmsford Act of 1919 were unsatisfactory. Hence, there was discontent among the Indian people. 2. On this background, the British appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. 3. In this commission, none of the Indian member was included. Hence, the Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. 4. Khilafat movement was started in India. Answer 1. During the First World War, Turkey fought against the British. To get the support of the Indian Muslims in the war, the British had assured that after the end of the war, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. 2. But after the end of First World War, England did not stick to their word. Due to this, there was discontent aroused among the Muslims. Therefore, the Indian Muslims decided to support the Khalifa, that is nothing but Khilafat.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.